Obviously, ladies and gentlemen, you have to put your hands together louder than that for brand ambassador Polaroid Sunglasses India, Anushka Sharma. A little louder, come on. Yeah, we have in the house actor, producer, thought leader, someone whose style quotient is like ours. It's unique and it's edgy. Anushka Sharma, our brand ambassador in India. On that note, while you're all clicking away, we like that, I'm going to invite on stage once again Mr. Gopinath, yes, and Ms. Nalini Gupta.
Welcome, Anushka. Nice to meet you again.
Are you all done? Video clicking? Should we start talking? Okay. So, she's just the perfect brand ambassador that you can have.
Great.
Yes.
Yes.
No, all want you all to take center stage, please. Please, center stage, yes. Okay. Nalini and Mr. Gopinath, I was just saying that she's just the perfect brand ambassador you guys can have. What are your thoughts on that? Yeah.
Great. So, how do you feel about Polaroid?
Hi guys, good evening to you all. It's a great turnout given the condition, all right. So firstly, a round of applause to all of you all who've been brave and made their way to the event. So thank you for joining us. Hi, I'm loving your sunglasses. Yeah, the association has been great. I'm really happy, firstly, because today we are here celebrating 80 years of Polaroid, and that's something. And I'm happy that I can be part and be associated and rejoice in this huge milestone and share this moment with you all. So thank you. And yeah, any other questions you have for me? Because you went straight for it.
No, I think they're done. Thank you both so much for joining us here on stage. Nalini, unless of course you have something to say to Anushka.
Thank you.
We just want to say thank you to you.
Yes.
For being our perfect brand ambassador.
Yes.
We're also very proud of really India becoming a landmark on the global map, thanks to you, thanks to Polaroid. You're the first and ever, actually, global ambassador for Polaroid. And India is a very, very important market for us. So I know you have a global appeal and you are well known well outside India as well. So we're very proud and very glad for that. Thank you, Anushka.
And thank you both for joining us here on stage. Thank you very much.
I just want to add, the reason I said perfect was because fashion, style, hip, cool, joyful, that's you. And that's Polaroid.
Thank you both for joining us here on stage.
Thank you.
Why don't you come together for a bit? Give me the mic, I'll hold the mic for you. Thank you. Come together, please. Another photo opportunity. Ma'am, thoda aage, ma'am, thoda piche, ma'am, thoda left. Pose away, ladies and gentlemen. Our brand ambassador, Anushka Sharma. Polaroid Sunglasses India, along with Mr. Gopinath and Nalini Gupta. And tell us when you're done. I'll thank them. Thank you. Thank you both. Anushka, please stay with me here on stage. Yeah, we will give you her solos. Thank you both. Thank you both. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So you want to do her solos first, then I'll ask her some questions, okay? Okay. So now, share your thoughts with us.
Like I said, please don't go off stage. I feel very weird
No,
just standing
I'm
alone
right
in
here.
such a huge stage. Everyone's left me. Like I said, I'm really happy, firstly, because Polaroid completes 80 years, and like I said, that's something to be relevant as a brand for so many years, and I'm very, very proud and happy to be associated with the brand. We are here to launch the fall-winter collection, so I hope, I don't know if you guys have had a look at it, but I, for one, love it. I'm wearing something from the collection. I really like what Nalini was wearing as well. So yeah, I'm very happy to be here and to share this milestone with all of you all.
And thank you for being here, really. There was a Polaroid Move campaign that we ran, and we've come up with a winner. I would like to show them a video. Yes?
You want to show them?
Yes, we'll show them a video of who the winner about being associated with a brand with such a special heritage.
I think I feel a sense of responsibility because when a brand has stood the test of time for so many years and they take you on as their first ambassador, that is a responsibility that I am very proud of. So I'm very, like I said, happy that I was chosen by the brand to represent your collection worldwide. And I think as an ambassador, it's very important for me personally to endorse a brand that I believe in, endorse a brand that I use personally, because I don't want to go out there and vouch for something that, you know, that I don't use myself or I can't stand by.
Yes.
So I feel happy that I'm associated with a brand like Polaroid, that I'm very proud to, I would say, go out there and claim that I endorse it and I wear it and I use it on a personal level.
Yes. Like Nalini said, you're our only brand ambassador worldwide, right? Yes. So you're special. Yeah, that's why you're on here. Okay, so strange question, but I have to ask you this. Are you a sunglasses person?
What do you think? Look where I am. How much more of a sunglasses person can I be?
And do you think sunglasses are an important part of anybody's wardrobe? Yeah?
Yeah, because I think firstly, it's the most effective and the most practical way of accessorizing yourself.
Yes.
I'm someone who, I don't like over-accessorizing my looks, but I feel sunglasses do it for you. It has a practical appeal. At the same time, it amps your look. So you could be wearing something very, I mean, not something, maybe something a little casual, like a pair of shirt and denims. But if you wear a good, trendy pair of sunglasses, then you are surely,
brings it alive,
you're going to kind of uplift your look a little bit.
So anyway, you're saying that sunglasses sometimes can make or break a look.
Yeah, it's important because you have to match it to what you're wearing.
Yeah.
And I think that's something that is easy when you have a good range of sunglasses. So I think it's good and important to invest in all kinds of, all styles or models of sunglasses.
Yes. Which is your favorite pair from amongst
the one that I was
that
wearing right now, I really like because it's from the latest collection.
Okay.
And I also, generally, I like the round frames, the John Lennon style. So in different shapes, but for me, that's something that maybe it suits my face really nicely. So yeah, that's something I really like.
Okay. So from what I've seen of your work, from what I've read about you in the media, you seem to be someone for whom practicality would also be very important. So Polaroid sunglasses, of course, very good for the eyes. They have 9 layers of protection to protect our eyes against UV rays. So when you're picking a pair of sunglasses, does that go through your mind?
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Like I said, style is important, but at the same time, it has to have some use, you know, so it has to be practical. So of course, it's important to protect your eyes. It's something that, it's one of the reasons why, especially if you're in a place like India, in Mumbai, where the sun is constantly shining in your face. And apart from the style factor, fashion, etc., but I think it's also something that is important health-wise.
Yes, it is, for the eyes, especially against harmful UV rays. Okay, any parting shot for them?
Party?
Parting shot.
Parting shot. Nothing, I'm happy, like I said, proud of you all for managing to be here, guys. And yeah, and like I said, I'm happy that I am here with the brand while the brand has been here for 80 years. So I hope this association continues. And I'm a proud wearer of Polaroid eyewear. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you once again for being here. Ladies and gentlemen, yes. Thank you for an applause for our brand ambassador, Anushka Sharma. Thank you very much. Yes. Now, yes. Come on, I'll take the mic from you. I'll take the mic. Come, I'll take it. I'll take it. Yes, click away.